Hey there, Encappers. Let's talk about the economy and how to thrive when things are going just a little bit sideways in the economy. Stick around to find out more. So right now, there's a lot of talk about tariffs and where the world economy is going, and you may have noticed that a lot of people are kind of holding back. They want to make purchases, they're just kind of in cruise mode right now, and they don't want to really move forward. There's concern, skepticism about where things are going to end up. And it's understandable, but I want to share something with you that I've observed because I've been doing this for a long time. I entered the arena in the carpet cleaning and floor care and office cleaning janitorial side way back in 1982, grew my commercial carpet cleaning in the 80s, and so I've got 40 years into this. And what I've seen along the way through variables and all over the place as far as the economy, good, bad, recessions, you name it, commercial carpet cleaning has stuck around and it's been consistent regardless. And why is that? Well, let's think it through. If the economy's good, people spend money. That's obvious. If the economy's a little sideways, we have to think about maybe holding back a little bit, not spending on the splurges. And that's where commercial carpet cleaning pays off. And here's why. We need to make that carpet last longer. Can't afford to replace the carpet, can't afford the downtime. And in fact, making the place look clean can improve morale and help squeeze out a little more joy in the workplace. Seriously. So when we think about selling in a down economy, we really want to push that angle. Now naturally, there's a health factor that comes with clean carpet, makes the indoor environment cleaner and healthier. But the other two aspects that we really want to push when we're selling in an off economy are appearance and longevity. So those two things, appearance and longevity, are huge when the economy is a little sideways. So when you're out marketing, demonstrate to them how blissful it will be to have a clean environment. Get them excited about the cleanliness and working in a clean environment. Really push the aspect of what it's going to do for them as a company. That's not hard to do. Get them excited about having clean carpet, not this dingy carpet that's on the floor right now. Talk about the cleanliness factor, and then finally also talk about how we can extend the life of the carpet and make it last longer. No downtime to replace carpet, no costs involved with replacing carpet. We're gonna squeeze the juice out of this carpet. Pushing those two angles is top of mind right now because they don't want to go down the path of a replacement. And certainly if we can make this place look good without spending a fortune, that's a win for everybody. Now, on the point about not spending a fortune, think about what encapsulation cleaning brings to the table. Yeah, you may need to get a little bit aggressive with your pricing, sharpen your pencil, so to speak, crunch the numbers. But in doing so, when you're working with encapsulation at 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour, you've got some margin to work with to get aggressive with the pricing, to bring in a price that will benefit the customer, that they'll be able to say, yeah, that sounds great, let's do it. Look at what you can afford to offer, get creative. I'm not telling to drive the price through the floor, but you've got some wiggle room there that you can get creative and give a package to somebody where they're going to enjoy clean carpet, get that wonderful experience of a nice office, a nice building, a nice business to work in, keep it looking terrific and without breaking the bank. And that's how I've seen, in my experience, successful carpet cleaners get through times in the economy when things are just a little tough. And on the point of dealing with lower numbers, you know, if we're going to have to get aggressive with pricing, we also want to talk about our products. Encap-Clean DS2 mixes at 4 ounces per gallon. It is a powerhouse product. We sell a ton of it. It's our #1 product, and for good reason. It cleans like crazy and leaves the carpets looking fantastic. Several years back, though, we developed this product, Encap Basic. Encap Basic is basically the same formula, but we took out some of the more costly ingredients. It doesn't have the 4 ounce per gallon dilution, although you can get by on lightly soiled carpets at 4 ounces per gallon. It's an 8 ounce per gallon product, but if you've really got to crunch the numbers and get aggressive with your pricing, you might want to give Encap Basic a try. And here's something interesting. We've challenged guys to compare Encap Basic to their other Encap products that they're trying from other vendors, and they find that our cheap product, Encap Basic, stacks up against these so-called premium Encap products quite well. So if our Encap Basic can really stand its ground when it comes to cleaning performance, Encap-Clean DS2 takes it to a whole nother level. So I just wanted to kind of throw that at you too, so that you can think about utilizing these products to help you if you're in a situation where you're trying to get aggressive on pricing. Encap Basic is an option that can help you if you're in a number crunching situation. So hopefully these ideas will help you to think about getting excited about selling commercial carpet cleaning right now. Maybe, yeah, we're in a situation where people are holding back a little bit, but get them excited about the benefits of having clean carpet, how they can enjoy a clean building, how you're going to extend the life of the carpet, and that you can be very competitive with your pricing. If you approach it this way, you're going to find that you will be successful even when the economy is a little bit off, as we're seeing right now. Hopefully this will give you some great ideas to work with. We want to help you max your Encap. That's what we're all about here at Excellent Supply. Please share your comments below. Any comments, questions, you name it. Give us a thumbs up if you would for this video, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.